Okay. Hello, good evening, Bro and sis.
Hello, good evening, Sis Anna.
Oh, good evening.
Sis.
Okay. How are you today, guys?
So far, so good, sis.
So
I'm
far,
good.
so good. Okay, wow. A lot of people here. Pada rajin-rajin banget ya, jam 8.00 udah langsung masuk. Okay. Okay, so welcome back again to Speaking Partner, guys. So this is your 5th month ya, bulan kelima, bener ya? Betul?
Betul.
Betul. Okay, so for the next 1 month untuk 1 bulan ke depan, me, Sis Ana, I will be your partner in this class. Jadi sebulan ke depan nanti Francis sama Sis Ana ya. Hopefully you will enjoy this class. So have you ever known each other before? Ini satu sama lain udah pada kenal kah? Sis Wiwi, Bro Farid, Bro Alfa, Sis Angel, and Sis Daisy? Are you
No.
guys? No. No one. Nggak ada sama sekali. Sis Angel nggak ada. What about Sis Wiwi? Do you know someone in here, Sis Wiwi?
No.
Oh, really? Okay. What about Bro Farid? What about you, Bro?
No.
Okay. Kalau Sis Alfa lagi Bro Alfa gimana?
Hah? Apa?
Do you know anyone here? Ada yang Bro Alfa tahu di kelas ini? Mungkin pernah satu kelas sebelumnya?
No.
No, yeah. Okay. What about Sis Daisy?
No, sis. I don't know
No.
anyone.
Oh, you don't know anyone here. Wow, it's amazing. Because usually, if I handle like 5th or 6th month, usually the people are from the same class in the previous level. Jadi biasanya kalau udah di level 5 tuh kayak udah janjian gitu bareng. Tapi Francis belum tahu satu sama lain, so but it's okay. Because this is our first meeting, and since you guys have known each other before, so let's start the class by introducing yourself. Kita kenalan dulu deh ya kalau gitu. This will be the point that you have to mention in your self-introduction. Jadi ini adalah poin-poin yang Bro and Sis perlu sebutkan in your self-introduction. Of course, you have to mention your complete name, your nicknames, atau kalau misalnya mau nickname-nya aja juga nggak apa-apa untuk yang ini. And then you have to describe about your city of origin, about neighborhood, about the people, about the city, about the typical food, about the weather, environment, and the local culture in your city. Jadi Bro and Sis memperkenalkan diri sekaligus memperkenalkan daerah asalnya. Okay. Anyone want to be the first one? Ada yang mau jadi yang pertama? Oh, Bro Farid kayaknya siap. Bro Farid?
Okay.
Okay. Please introduce yourself, Bro Farid. Nggak harus urut ya, nggak apa-apa
Okay.
kayak ngomong aja deh.
Oh yeah. It's okay. Okay. My name is Farid. You can call me Farid. Farid. I live in Sulawesi, Central Sulawesi. In Morowali.
Okay. Please explain more about your city, Bro Farid.
My city, I think my city is not. Maybe you don't know the city in Morowali. So Morowali well known because there are a lot of worker in nickel industries. So there are a big nickel industry there. So many other people from other place luar Sulawesi come to Morowali because of the nickel industry. I think that's
Okay. What about neighbor cities, Bro? Kayak di samping-sampingnya Morowali tuh ada kota-kota apa aja gitu?
Yeah. In the north, there is Poso, Poso. In the south, there is Kendari, and in the east, there is Maluku Island.
Oh, I see. So the capital city is Kendari, right?
No, the capital city is Palu.
Oh, the capital city is Palu. Ah, I see.
Yeah.
So what is the province? Central Sulawesi? Provinsinya
Central
Sulawesi Tengah
Sulawesi.
ya, bro ya?
Morowali is in Central Sulawesi.
Oh, I see, I see.
Yes.
Okay. Can you mention about the typical food? One of typical
I
food
don't
that
know one of the typical food. Typical food, like what? Maybe
typical food tuh
give some example.
okay, typical food is a food that come from your city. For example, probably in Padang we have rendang.
Oh, yeah. In Central Sulawesi we have Kaledo.
Aledo.
Kaledo, yeah.
Kaledo.
Kaledo.
Oh,
Uh,
Kaledo.
I don't know. Yeah, some like soup by cow soup, beef soup. I don't know,
Oh,
beef
beef
soup or
soup.
something.
Ah, okay. So
Uh,
basically it's a beef soup.
yeah.
Okay. What is the uniqueness of Kaledo apart from
Yes.
other soup? Apa yang bikin Kaledo tuh unik gitu?
Because the rempah-rempah itu lebih lebih beda lah gitu.
Okay, so the spices.
Dari kaki sapi.
Okay. What about the weather there? Kalau di sana weathernya gimana, bro? Cenderung hot kah? Is it close to the mountain, for example? Mungkin dekat ke gunung atau dekat ke laut?
The weather is the weather is very hot. Very hot. Yeah, especially this day. Di nearby sea.
Oh, nearby the sea. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, bro. Siapa tadi namanya? Farid. Nice to meet you, bro. Faridnya menghilang tapi. Okay. So maybe while we're waiting Bro Farid for joining, I would like to ask Sis Wiwi to be the next participant. Hello, Sis Wiwi.
Hello. Hello,
Okay.
everybody. I want to introduce myself. My name is Wiwi Melianita Arba. You can call me Wiwi. I'm from North Molucas, especially Ternate City, but I live Tangerang City. I love reading book and listening the music. I stay in Tangerang 6 years.
All right. So you live in Tangerang for work or for study?
Yes, for work.
For
I
work.
working at airplane company,
Wow, that's cool.
and my hometown, the people call Spice City, Kota Rempah,
Spicy.
Kota Rempah. Yeah, Ternate like Kota Rempah have the special food pala, cengkeh, origin from North Molucas. And weather, it's of course hot, like Bro Farid, because it's not Molucas skin. It's exotic, right?
Yes, it is. It's beautiful skin.
Yeah, and yeah, I like it. My hometown.
Right. Can you explain more about the typical food from Ternate?
Typical food, fish.
Fish?
Yeah, like Japan food sashimi.
Okay.
Yeah, but the name is gohu ikan. Gohu
Gohu
ikan.
ikan.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's like sashimi.
Yeah,
Versus
it's
sashimi.
apa ya? Mentah.
Rare.
Ya, slice and yeah, eating not through the cook.
Oh, okay. So what kind of fish do you usually use to make that food? Jenis ikan apa sih?
Tuna?
Oh, tuna. I see. Okay, okay, okay. So we can say that the price of tuna there is probably cheap.
Yeah.
Okay. How often you go back to Ternate, Siswi?
What?
How often you go back to Ternate? Seberapa sering pulang ke Ternate?
I think if Lebaran, I think I get living to come in my hometown because my family in Ternate. I think 1 or 2 times a year.
Okay, once or twice in a year.
Yeah, twice in a
Sekali
year.
atau
Yep.
2 kali. I see. Okay. All right, Siswi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. By the way, guys, if there is anyone who want to ask something to your partner, you may ask ya, Bro and Sis. Kalau misal ada yang mau ditanyain ke temennya, boleh. Misal, Siswi, harga tuna di sana berapa? Itu boleh, nggak apa-apa. Okay. Anyone want to ask to Siswi? Ada yang mau tanya ke Siswi? Okay, probably not for now ya, nggak ada dulu sekarang. Siswi, please point for the next participant. Boleh bantu tunjuk partisipan
I
selanjutnya.
think Sis Angel.
Sis Angel. Okay, hello Sis Angel.
Hello. Hello,
Okay.
everyone. Nice to meet
Hello.
you. Thank you, Sis Wiwi and Sis Anna. Hello, my name is Angel, and I live and born in Cirebon, West Java. Yeah, and my hobbies is hiking. Typical food in my cities is empal gentong. Maybe you heard about this food. It's made from beef and coconut, like curry, I guess. And in my city, the weather is very hot because I live in city who near harbor. And in the top we can found mountains. So yeah, I live in the middle of that. But the weather is very hot and wet in the noon. in my city have Kraton, of course. It's called Kraton Kesepuhan. And batiks, we have Megamendung. Maybe you can you heard about the batik and many else. I think just that enough for me. Thank you.
Oh, okay. So Cirebon is located between the beach and the mountain.
Yes, that's
Nice,
true.
I see. How long have you been living in Cirebon? Since you were born?
Yes, since I was born, maybe 37 years old.
37 years or since
Yeah.
7 years. Okay, you must be very love your hometown because you never
Yeah,
moved to any other city.
I don't think so because I love live here.
I see, I see. Okay. So, what about the people there?
The people, we have many cultures in here. We have to speak in Japanese and
Mhm.
probably in Sundanese,
Mhm.
and we got in here like Chinese and Arabics. Yeah, because Cirebon is the middle of that, so this
Right.
very interesting.
So there are a lot of cross-cultural
Yeah,
pertukaran budaya.
true. Yes,
I
this true.
see.
Sis.
That's very interesting, Sis Angel. Is there anyone want to ask something to Sis Angel? Ada yang mau nanya ke Sis Angel?
Sis
Boleh.
Angel,
Yeah,
I have
Sis Wiwi.
question for you.
Okay.
Why you like hiking?
I don't know because that is my passion. Because I love to see the view and I love to the weather and it's very peaceful for me because sometimes I got stressed from my work. So yeah, hiking is my best hobby.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the highest mountain you have ever hiked, Sis Angel?
The highest mountain is maybe Merbabu. Yes, Merbabu. It's very high but it's very nice to be there because I have a lot of experience and many experience in there.
Okay, so when was the last time you went there to Merbabu?
Maybe 7 or 5 years ago. Yeah, the newest is I just hiking in Gede Mountain. That's the newest. Yeah,
I see, I
in
see.
Garut.
In Garut.
Yeah.
Okay, some people say that once we love hiking, once we try to hike a mountain, and it will be like kind of addiction to us. Like we want to hike again and again. Is that true?
Yes, that's true. Because you can see the biggest what we call it, how God is very have a big big apa ya, punya, kita baru melihat Allah itu wow sekali ya, dan itu baru hanya bisa dilihat hanya di top of mountain gitu. Sis.
Oh. All right, nice to meet you, Sis Angel. Thank you
Nice
so
to meet you all,
much.
Miss Anna. Thank you.
Okay, please help me to choose the next one, Sis Angel.
Okay, I will choose maybe Bro Muhammad Alfa.
Okay, Bro Alpha. Let's
Halo Bro
go.
Alfa.
Hi,
Okay.
Oke
Hi,
Bro Alfa.
Bro. Yeah, it's your turn, Bro Alpha. Please introduce yourself.
hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Alfa Rizky. I live in Tulungagung and I was local people of Tulungagung. And my age is still 16 years old, and for senior high school.
Okay, so this is your first year in senior high school.
Yes, I will be in senior high school.
Oh, okay. So you haven't started yet. Jadi belum mulai ya senior high school-nya ya.
Yes.
When it will start?
Okay. What?
When it will start? Kapan mulainya?
Maybe for 8 July or 10 July.
July. So it means or? I see. 1 month again ya bro ya, 1 bulan lagi.
Yes.
Okay, what do you feel about that bro Alfa? Gimana perasaannya mau jadi anak SMA?
It's fun because I can meet every new friends.
So you feel excited about that ya?
Yes, I feel excited.
Okay. Can you explain more, Bro Alpha, about Tulung Agung?
Okay. Tulungagung, it's a place that with more local culture like batik Tulungagung, reok Tulungagung, or more local local culture,
Culture.
and the people it's so friendly. They are speaking Javanese language,
Mhm.
and the neighbor cities or countries of
Neighbor cities tuh kayak kota terdekatnya, tetangga-tetangganya
neighbor
ada.
cities. Then the
Yeah.
neighbor cities, it's like Tulungagung City,
Mhm.
Trenggalek City, or Blitar City.
Mhm.
Yes, these the neighbor cities.
Okay.
And the typical food they are more typical food like sredek, lodo Tulungagung,
Lagi, bro.
wait. Oh yeah. Lot like, and then chicken satay of Tulungagung,
Mhm.
getuk pisang, rujak cingur, kopi cete, and keripik lempeng gaplek, and more typical food.
Okay, and other typical food. Wow,
Yes.
you have a lot of typical food ya, banyak ya makanan khasnya.
Yes.
I
And
see.
for environment, nothing special of Tulungagung environment, just same with other cities. The air it's clear, but not too clear because there are a number of pollution. air pollution with
Okay.
factory industry from factory industries.
Mhm. Industry. Okay.
And for
That's
the
all?
winter,
Okay.
it's for the winter are normal because sometimes it's clear, sometimes it's rainy. Okay,
That's all. Ada lagi berapa?
okay, that's all.
Okay. Alright. That's quite complete introduction about your city, ya. In Tulung Agung. It's close to Kediri, dekat ya dari Kediri ya.
Ya, tapi kadang juga
Iya.
dekat sama Trenggalek, tapi lebih dekat sama
Oh,
Trenggalek sih.
oh lebih dekat sama Trenggalek ya. Okay. So you just say junior high school. I think you are the youngest here. Kayaknya Bro Alpha yang paling muda deh di sini. So, nanti kita lihat yang lainnya. Alright, anyone want to ask something to Bro Alpha? Ada yang mau tanya ke Bro Alpha?
Wait.
Yeah. Ada.
Si Aji.
Oh, langsung nunjuk nih. Di sana tanya ada yang mau tanya nggak ke Bro Alpha dulu nih. Barangkali ada yang mau tahu tentang Trenggalek dulu Bro Alpha. Tulung Agung. Tidak ada kah? Ada?
Apa?
Oke. Ya sudah, nggak apa kalau misalnya ada. Tadi Bro Aji ya selanjutnya.
Yes.
Thank you so much Bro Alpha. It's your turn Bro Aji.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
My voice clear?
It's not really clear actually. Nggak terlalu clear.
Yeah.
Kayak agak mendem gitu Bro.
Maybe I can speak clearly right now because I'm on my way to the home. Still, I'm driving my motorbike, so maybe the next person can go
Oh,
the first.
oke. Still on the road. Masih di jalan ya Bro Aji ya?
Yeah.
Oke deh, oke. Alright. Kita ke siapa dulu? Gimana nih Bro Alfa? Bro Ajinya lagi di jalan katanya. Siapa Bro? Ada yang belum tuh ada Sis Devi sama Sis Alfi.
Alfi.
Ya, oke. Sis Alfi, please.
Hello, nice to meet you all.
Hello, nice to meet you too, Sis Alfi. Please introduce yourself, sis.
My name is Alfi Vidya Kamalia, but you can call me Vidya. I'm 17 years old and I just graduated from high school in April.
Just graduated from senior high school.
Yeah,
Oh, I see. Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from Pontianak in West
Mhm.
Borneo.
Okay. Can you explain more about Pontianak then?
The weather is burning hot here because Pontianak is on the equator, garis khatulistiwa.
Yeah, exactly. That's right.
And we speak Melayu here. We also have Keraton. It's Arabic. It's called Keraton Qadariyah. But the culture is mix of Dayak, Melayu, and Arabic, I think.
Okay, so it's cross culture.
Yeah,
Between Melayu, Arabic, and Dayak.
yeah.
Okay. So what languages apart from Melayu that we can speak?
I can speak Japanese because there's so many Japanese people here.
I see a lot
My
of
mom
migrants.
Yeah, my mom is Japanese.
Ah, I see. And your dad is originally from Pontianak.
Yes.
Can you explain more about the typical food from Pontianak?
The food, maybe the popular one is asam pedas. It's like fish and kayak dia pakai bumbu merah gitu.
So is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot, but
Hot and
it tastes kind of sweet as well.
I see. So what is the ingredient?
I don't know, but the main ingredient is fish.
The main ingredient is fish. Okay. All right. What about the neighbor cities?
The neighbor cities, it's Singkawang and Mempawah, the nearest. And I was born in Singkawang actually.
Oh, okay. But you moved to Pontianak and now live in Pontianak.
Yeah, because my dad is from here.
I see. Okay. All right. That's nice, Sis Alfie. So are you going to start your university?
Yeah,
Okay. Where? May I know?
in my city.
Okay. In local university in Pontianak.
Yeah,
Okay. What major did you take?
I took English education.
English education. That's
Yeah.
cool. Okay. When it will start?
It will start in 4 August, I think.
4th of August.
Yes.
How do you feel, Cecilia? You want to start in your life as a university student?
I'm so excited.
Okay, hopefully everything going well, yeah, Cecilia,
Thank
for your
you.
university journey. Is there anyone want to ask something to Cecilia? Ada yang mau nanya ke Cecilia, guys? Belum ada. Oke, so thank you so much, Cecilia. Oh, Cecilia,
Sis Vidya,
kayaknya mau
Yes.
nanya.
yeah.
Okay, please.
Do you have recommendation place vacation in Borneo, especially your hometown?
My hometown. Maybe I usually go on holiday to Singkawang because it has more, I think, beautiful places because Singkawang has so many beaches.
Singkawang near with Derawan, because I hear it's Derawan very beautiful.
Oh, I have no idea. But yeah, Singkawang is a Chinese city actually.
Ah. Hmm.
So you have been there, Cecilia. Pernah ke sana, sis?
Not
Ah,
but I want.
okay. Okay. Do you have bucket list, like tourist destination that you want to visit? Probably the beaches that have mentioned by Cecilia. Tadi apa Cecilia nama beachnya?
Pasir Panjang, terus ada Kura-Kura Beach.
Oh. Any other questions, Cecilia?
No, thank you, Sis Vidya.
Thank you.
Thank you, and nice to meet you. And then the last one, Sis Stacy. Hi, Sis Stacy.
Hi, Sis Anna.
Okay.
Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Desita Rizky Ayunda. You guys can call me Desi. I was born in Jakarta, but my parents' hometown are in Purwokerto. I live in South Jakarta. The weather is very hot and polluted. The people here like so many viral things, but we have kerak telur as typical food. But now people prefer things that are viral like gultik, cheesecake, etc., especially around Blok M.
That's all,
That's
Sis
it.
Desi?
Okay, sis, that's it.
Okay, yes, Block M has a lot of, like, it's like the center of South Jakarta's people to hang out, right? There's a lot of distribution there, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Hmm.
Sorry, sis. The volume is small.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What about now? Kalau sekarang gimana?
Better.
Oh, it's better. Okay. Anyone, would you like to ask something to Sis Desi? Ada yang mau nanya ke Sis Desi? Okay. So, what is the most famous places recently
The
around
most
South Jakarta, Sis
viral
Desi?
places
Mhm.
around my house is
Mhm.
maybe near Block M, sis. My
Near Block
house
M.
around Block M.
Mhm. Okay. What is the exact place? For example, restaurant or something?
I'm not into the viral place.
Mhm.
All I know is around Block M ada kayak taman literasi yang sekarang
Oh.
open 24 hour. Terus juga maybe around Block M Square ya. Yang
Okay.
iya old town-nya gitu di situ.
Mhm.
Jadi banyak so many Gen Z came there
Mhm.
make some apa namanya? Post update in
Mhm.
Reels in TikTok to make them more viral.
Okay. Okay. So there is the city center. It's like a city center, yeah, in Block M. And in Taman Literasi, I have ever seen that there are a lot of musical concerts and open for public for free, right, Sis Desi?
Yes, right.
Yes. Have you ever visited or joining that kind of event?
Sorry sis, pardon?
Have you ever visited or joining free music event there?
No. I
Yes.
don't like the crowded, so I
Ah,
just went to work and then come home.
ah,
Jadi nggak
okay.
suka nongkrong.
I see, I
I'm
see.
introvert.
You are introvert. You
Hmm.
like in peace, suka ketenangan ya, sis ya.
Yes, right.
Okay, nice. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you, Sis
Thank
Desi.
you, sis.
Oke, semuanya sudah ya. Adakah yang belum? Ya, semuanya sudah. Oke, so karena sudah perkenalan semua, actually our agenda today is only introduction, guys. Jadi hari ini agendanya sebenarnya hanya introduction. And I would like to deliver or inform you about this kind of information. So now you are in the 5th month, which is intermediate 3 level, third level of intermediate, di intermediate 3. Untuk di level ini, goalnya Brains itu adalah menguasai speaking pattern. Kalau kemarin kan di level 4, kalau nggak salah level 4 itu tentang apa ya, sih karena agak lupa. Tapi untuk sekarang nanti fokusnya Brains itu adalah merangkai kata-kata atau menjawab pertanyaan yang lebih terstruktur. Jadi kalau misal menjawab pertanyaan in English, we usually started with opening phrases and then explaining the main idea, elaborating the idea, and then give the conclusion. Jadi nanti kita akan belajar gimana cara menjawab pertanyaan secara lebih terstruktur. Gitu. And this is the table of content, the things that we would like to learn for the next 20 days. Ini adalah yang akan Francis pelajari di 20 hari ke depan. I also have sent the module on our group. Di sana juga sudah kirim modulnya ke grup kita. And also the Zoom link. The Zoom link will be the same ya, Francis, for each day. Jadi Zoom linknya akan tetap sama. Jadi Sis Ana nggak akan kirim link Zoom setiap hari karena akan tetap sama itu aja. So automatically when it comes to 8 p.m., jadi ketika udah jam 8 p.m., Francis udah boleh langsung masuk aja ke Zoom-nya. And okay, that's all actually about the introduction of this level. Ini aja. So far, any question? Ada yang mau ditanyain, Bro and Sis? About anything, tentang apapun? Boleh tentang level 5 atau tentang apapun.
But how about you, Susanna? You haven't introduced yourself yet.
Yeah, I agree with
Okay.
you, Mr. Farid.
I'm waiting
Yeah,
for
I'm
this.
curious about Susanna.
About that one.
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
curious
so
about
Okay.
you,
we
sis.
can know each other.
Okay, is that important guys? Apakah itu penting? Kadang
Yeah,
kadang
of
suka lupa
course.
memperkenalkan
Of
diri
Yeah,
course,
sendiri.
of
because you
course.
are the teacher,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Let me introduce myself then. This one. So, my name is Anna, guys. Just call me Sis Anna. Currently, I live in Pare, Kediri, Kampung Inggris, you know. So, I live there in Kampung Inggris, Pare. I teach as an English tutor for almost 3 years. Actually, I graduated from academic, Bachelor of Economic, but now I teach as an English tutor here. And this is some of my hobbies. I love traveling, so I love the visiting new places that I've never visited before. Like Sis Angel, probably Sis Angel like hiking, but I love to travel more to the beach or mountain, but not as high as Sis Angel. And I love sharing. I love doing networking with other people. And then this is just a glance of me. Ini sedikit aja about Susanna, about my teaching experience, about my speaker experience, and my certificate of achievement as an English tutor. I have my TOEFL score in 567, and currently I still pursuing my IELTS. Jadi sekarang Susanna masih on proses lagi mengejar sertifikasi IELTS, if you have ever heard about that. And for this class, buat class rules in my class, no fear of making mistake. Jadi bro and sis boleh berbicara apapun di kelas ini selama sopan ya. No fear of making mistake, nggak apa-apa untuk buat kesalahan. Walaupun sudah level 5, kalau misal bro and sis masih merasa, sis boleh nggak kalau mix-mix sama bahasa Indonesia, itu masih nggak apa-apa ya bro and sis. And we have to respect and support each other because we all learners here. Karena kita masih sama-sama belajar di sini. Kalau misal temannya lagi berbicara, kita dengerin, kita simak. Kalau misal kita lagi berbicara, begitu pun sebaiknya listen when others speak. And our goal in this class, we learn together with joy, confidence to speak, and no fear of making mistake. Jadi goalnya itu kita sama-sama belajar untuk lebih bisa mengekspresikan diri pakai bahasa Inggris tanpa takut untuk berbuat kesalahan. Because that is the part of the learning journey. Karena itu adalah bagian dari proses belajarnya. Maybe that's all. I don't know what to explain about myself. Sebenarnya Susanna kadang bingung ya kalau explain about myself tuh apanya gitu. And then this is the class agenda. Jadi kalau misal di kelasnya Susanna, usually we will have 20 until 25 minutes of main room. Jadi 20 sampai 25 menit pertama itu kita di main room. We will have a glance of material introduction and also material explanation, tapi sebentar aja, and you will have a conversation one-on-one with me in the main room. Jadi one-on-one conversation dulu. After that, I will give you the opportunity to talk to each other for about 30 until 35 minutes in the breakout room. But it's still negotiable ya, Bro Ensis. Kalau misal Bro Ensis merasa this breakout roomnya kebanyakan atau this breakout roomnya kurang, nanti kita bisa adjust waktunya untuk speaking practice-nya. Seperti itu. Oke. Any questions so far? Ada yang mau ditanyain, Francis?
Sorry, Sis Anna, wanna ask you about a typical food from Pare. What it is?
Actually, I'm not originally from here. This
Oh,
Angel. So probably
okay.
from Pare, we have a lot of pecel, nasi pecel ya, but I'm not sure whether it is originally from Pare or not. Di sana nggak tahu apakah nasi pecel itu dari Pare asli atau enggak. But I found a lot of pecel seller here. And what else? Apa lagi ya kalau di Pare tuh? Biasanya itu sih, banyak banget tukang pecel di sini, nggak ngerti.
It's like same in Jawa. What
Iya.
the ingredients of pecel?
What is that?
Like
Oh, what is
yeah, the ingredients like we call it peanuts,
okay.
sambal peanuts.
Yeah, actually, if you know
It's
about
same.
gado-gado,
Yes, I know.
Yes, actually it's similar to gado-gado, but with the different vegetable. I don't know what kind of vegetable ya. Sebenarnya saya nggak tahu itu daun apa, but we have toge and then ada dedaunan and we use it peanut sauce, but it's a different peanut sauce. It's more liquid. Jadi kalau pecel itu sambalnya
Oh.
lebih cair gitu daripada gado-gado. Kalau gado-gado lebih kental ya, lebih thick gitu, lebih kental. Tapi kalau pecel itu lebih cair gitu.
How about the taste? Do you like
The
it?
taste, I like it a lot, and the price is so cheap, guys. Di sini tuh di Pare murah-murah banget, guys. And the price is so cheap. Like we can get rice, nasi pecel is only 4,000, 5,000.
Wow,
Really so
very
cheap.
cheap.
Murah banget. It's culture shock for me.
Okay.
And the fun fact is I'm originally from the same city as you, Sis Angel, karena asalnya dari kota yang sama sama Sis Angel.
Oh, you are from Cirebon?
Yes, I am.
Welcome back.
Yeah, welcome back. But it's been a long time. I've now go back to Cirebon. Sudah agak lama. Nggak balik ke Cirebon.
I will waiting you come to your home, sis.
Okay. Which part of Cirebon are you, Sis Angel?
I am in the city.
City.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And where are you, sis?
I'm in the border between Central Java and West Java. Karena di perbatasan.
You'll need to
I
unlock your iPhone
see.
first.
Okay, nice to meet you, sis.
Nice to meet you, Sis Angel. Okay. Ada yang mau ditanyakan lagi, guys? Any other question? Oh yeah, actually I want to know, Susana mau tanya deh one by one. What is your goal by learning English? Tujuan berantus belajar bahasa Inggris itu apa? Probably start from Sis Daisy.
My goal learning English to maintain my skills, and then I want to level up my job in another
Country?
no.
Oh.
I want a better position in my job.
Okay, increasing career level.
Yes.
I see. How long have you been learning English so far, Sis Daisy?
I've been learning English in speaking partner.
No, only in speaking partner. Since you were started.
I never take in another course. So the speaking partner is my first course.
Okay, so how long have you been learning English in speaking partner?
Pardon, sis?
How long have you been learning English in speaking partner?
This is my 5th month.
Oh, so you joined from the very first level.
Yes.
Okay.
In basic one.
All right. Thank you so much for being the loyal student of speaking partner. Yes, Sis Daisy.
My pleasure. Thank you, sis.
Okay, thank you so much. What about Sis Vidya?
My goal is to fix my grammar because I'll be learning English education, so it's important to me.
Oh, okay. So you will improving your English fluency and grammar.
Yes.
Okay, of course, because you took English education as your major, right?
Yeah.
Okay, may I know, sis, why you took English education as your major? Is it
Because-
just because you like it?
Yeah, because I like it and I'm planning to go abroad, maybe for scholarship or work.
Okay. Wow, it's nice to hear that. Hopefully your dream come true, yeah, Sis Vidya. Good luck.
Yeah.
Okay, what about siapa ya? Sis Wiwi, what about you, Sis Wiwi? What is your goal by learning English?
My goals is improve my skill. For my career, of course.
Oh, okay.
And
May I know?
I want
Okay.
to learn many accent.
Oh, okay. What is the most interesting English accent that you want to learn?
I think I love all in.
Sorry?
All in, I love it.
Oh, okay. All accent.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, because sometimes the English learner they have their preference of accent. For example, I love British accent, I love American accent, I love Australian accent,
British accent, I like it.
British accent.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. The hardest one, yeah. Agak
Yep.
sulit British. It's hard to understand. Okay, nice. Good luck, Siswi, for your learning journey.
Thank you, sis.
And yeah, what about Bro Alpha? Kalau Bro Alpha gimana?
Yes.
What is your goal by learning English?
It's go abroad to American for school,
Mhm.
for study,
For your
kuliah,
bachelor?
buat kuliah,
Oh, okay. For your bachelor,
or
kuliah
for
S1.
for for learning on military school.
Military school or go abroad for studying. Ah, okay. Yeah. Okay, I suggest you, Bro Alpha, if you have a free time, for example, 1 or 2 months, I recommend you to come to Kampung Inggris Pare to learn English more here because you will find a lot of
I
people
ever
that have.
visit. I ever
Oh,
visit.
really?
Yes, I ever visit Kampung Inggris in 2022.
Oh, 2022. Yeah, this Tulungagung is close to Kediri, right? Karena Tulungagung deket banget kan dari Kediri.
Yes,
Ah, okay. How long have you stayed in Kampung Inggris in 2022?
for 1 week.
For 1 week.
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to come back again?
What?
Would you like to come back again? Mau balik lagi?
Yes, when
Yeah.
I can, kalau sempat ya. Kalau sempat.
Oke, kamu sempat ya. Ya, sibuk ya, bro ya.
Yes.
Okay. All right, nice, Bro Alpha.
Yes.
What about siapa yang belum ya? Bro Farid. What about you, Bro Farid? What is your goal by learning English?
Yeah, my goal in learning English is to improve my communication skills, especially for work and meetings. I want to speak more confidently when talking to other in meeting. And and for travel, I want to learn English so I can travel more easily and talk to people from other countries.
I see. Okay, so may I know what are you now, Bro Farid? Are you a student?
No, I'm a employee in
An employee.
yeah, I'm employee.
I see. What is your industry, Bro Farid?
Telecommunication industry.
Telecommunication industry. So, do you often to communicate with your coworkers using English in your daily?
No, not that frequently, but I have a ambition in my position. I have ambition to go to other positions, so we have to speak English.
Okay. English is one of the requirement if you want to
Of
go
course.
level up.
Yes. Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Good luck for your learning journey, Bro Farid.
Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. What about you, this Angel?
Okay, sis, my goal is build my confidence so I can speak English very well with the native speaker because one of my dream is traveling to another country.
Wow. Okay. If you
Yeah.
could go to other countries, which countries would you like to go?
Maybe Europe
Europe.
or yeah, the near is Japan. I want
Japan or
to,
Europe.
yeah.
Hopefully someday ya, Sis ya.
Yeah.
Once you can go to Europe, you can go to several countries at the same time because they are very close. Karena kalau negara-negara Eropa kan deket ya, so you can go to several
Yeah.
countries at the same time. Jadi bisa satu kali pergi tapi ke beberapa negara. Gitu.
Yeah, that my dreams is to go
Okay,
another
that's so true.
country. So I must fix my English
Mhm.
very well.
Nah, so you can communicate when you have your holiday.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sis Angel. The last one, yang terakhir. What about you, Bro Aji?
Thank you, Sis. Not so much different from others. Just want to improve my skills so I can speak English confidently. Something like that.
Okay. So, are you student, Bro Aji?
No, I'm an employee.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm a employee.
Oh, an employee. Okay. So, your goal is to improving your English ability.
Yeah.
Communication. Okay. Alright. Thank you so much, Bro Aji. Masih di jalan kah ini?
Enggak, sudah. Tapi lagi mampir coffee shop.
Like coffee shop. Okay. Alright. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for sharing tonight about your goal, about your city, about yourself. For tomorrow, we will start our material in this level. Mulai besok kita akan mulai materinya di level 5. We still have around 2 minutes. Last question, ada yang mau ditanyain dulu? Tidak ada? Oke, kalau tidak ada yang ditanyakan, bentar. Tutup dulu. Okay, so Francis, thank you so much for coming in this class for today. I will meet again. We will meet again tomorrow. So see you everyone. Bye-bye.
See you, Zisana.
Thank you,
See you
sis.
everyone. Thank
Thank
you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.